Hey guys, it's Shane with Jelsmaoutdoors. Today we're going to be doing a DIY start to finish sand spike tutorial. So what we're going to need today is some kind of heating device, either be a torch or a heat gun, wine or a beer bottle, a small bucket of water, and a cooler, preferably something with a small soft lid on it. And this is how we're going to hone our flange. So anyway, the most important part is your PVC. Today I'm going to be using 1 1/4 inch because I needed this for another project, but I like to use 1 1/2 inch. If you can't get 1 1/2 inch, 1 1/4 works just fine too. You might have issues with the inside diameter and some of your rods not fitting, especially larger surf rods. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and show you on this. It's the exact same thing. We get the same results. It's just a little smaller. So let's go ahead and get started. The thing is, I don't really have to move around a lot with this one. So if my torch wants to work today. So we'll go ahead and solidify this. We'll let it cool, we'll let it set, and then we'll reheat it up at just a lower, not quite as far down. And so it's already solid. Only takes a second. We're literally just going to heat along this edge. If I can get my torch to work. So the torch doesn't want to work. The PVC is not cooperating. That's pretty much a normal day at Jelsmaoutdoors. More water. Okay. Move that over. All right. Reheat this again. I think I got enough water to get this to set, so. Back over to the saw. Bad guy smoke. Don't breathe it. Alright, appearances don't affect performance on this. So anyway, we got our 90-degree flange on this end. We're going to go ahead and move over to the saw. And we'll go ahead and cut this in. So let's move. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and use my bandsaw to cut this. You don't need a bandsaw, but when you cut, you need to start at about 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch over because you want a good lip. You could even start in the middle if you really want to start your process. But when I cut it, I'm going to turn my piece and I'm going to give it a cupping effect. So when I set these in the ground, I use a very unique method to set these that I think is better than any other method that anybody's ever used before. So let's go ahead and get started. Now you can see that I didn't just make a straight cut into it. What I did is I basically gave the inside of my PVC a cutting face. So when I twist this, it's going to dig into the ground. In good fashion, I'm wearing sandals. And this is pretty hard-packed soil. So really all we have to do is get up to about 8 inches. So you do have to put a little bit of down pressure on it. But I've literally been only doing this for maybe a minute at most. And I'm going to show you how deep it went. Just by twisting it, I got it that far. If you like this kind of stuff and you want to follow us, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Don't forget the bell notification. Leave us a thumbs up, even a comment. Let us know what we did wrong building this, how we could do it better, and maybe you might win something. So, like always, do it outdoors.